Bienvenidos a Colombia Antigua. La historia es para compartirla sin egoísmo. Es por eso que cada video tiene el enlace y la información de dónde fue descargado. Esperamos que los videos y la información sean útiles para usted.
The driver, name of Jim Broadley. Emergency in the air. The landing gear of a Constellation arriving at Bogota is jammed. No choice for the captain, it's got to be a belly landing and all the danger of fire. A perfect job. But in contrast to the captain's coolness, there's panic among passengers. Over 70 of them. One after another, they come tumbling out. No one in the Colombian airliner was actually hurt. It was the emotional strain that laid them low. A salute for the captain. He deserves it.